Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to block websites on your mobile phone. Whether you want to block distracting sites to focus better, set up parental controls for your kids, or just keep certain content away from your device, I've got you covered for both iPhone and Android. Let's get into it. If you're on iPhone, the easiest built-in way to block websites is through Screen Time. Go to Settings, then Screen Time, and if you haven't set it up yet, just tap Turn on Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, enable it, and tap Content Restrictions. From there, select Web Content and choose Limit Adult Websites. This blocks a lot of unwanted content automatically. But if you want to block a specific website, tap Add Website under the Never Allow section and type in the URL. That site is now completely blocked on Safari. You can also set a screen time passcode so nobody can go in and undo your settings. On Android, the built-in option is called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Go to Settings and search for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. From there, you can set up parental controls and restrict certain types of content. However, Android's built-in tools are a little limited when it comes to blocking specific websites, so for more control, I recommend using an app, which I'll cover in just a second. For both iPhone and Android, the most powerful and flexible way to block websites is through a third-party app. Some great free options are BlockSite, Freedom, and Stay Focused. Let's take BlockSite as an example, since it works on both platforms. Download it from the App Store or Google Play, open it, and give it the permissions it asks for. Then tap the plus button. Search for the website you want to block and add it to your block list. Done. That site is now blocked across your entire phone, not just one browser. You can even set schedules, so for example, websites are blocked during work hours or school hours and open again in the evening. If you only want to block websites in one specific browser, most browsers have extensions or built-in settings for this. In Chrome on Android, for example, you can use the BlockSite Chrome extension the same way you would on a computer. It's not as powerful as a full app, but it works well for simple cases. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Here's a bonus tip that works on both iPhone and Android without installing any app. You can change your phone's DNS to a filtering DNS like 1.1.1.3 from Cloudflare, which automatically blocks malware and adult content at the network level. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, tap on your connected network, find the DNS option, and change it to 1.1.1.3. It's not perfect for blocking specific sites, but it's a great extra layer of protection. And that's how you block websites on mobile. Use Screen Time on iPhone, Digital Wellbeing on Android, grab an app like BlockSite for full control, or change your DNS for a quick network-level block. Pick whichever method fits your situation best. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which method worked for you. See you in the next one.